How come you did that? What did you do that for? Do you understand these questions? Welcome back to Lingoni English. In this video, we're going to look at different ways to ask why using the expressions how come and what for. Let's take a look. How come and what for are simply other ways of asking why. To look at the differences, we're going to start with some examples. Why are you late? This is a common and polite way to ask this question. However, you can also hear the question used as how come you are late? How come you are late? One of the first differences you'll notice is the word order. Let's see those two again together and see if you can notice it. Pause the video if you need to. Why are you late? How come you are late? When you ask questions in English, you normally put the verb before the question, like in, why are you late? But in how come you are late, the subject comes first. This is likely because the phrase may come from an older expression in English that people almost never use anymore. How did it come to be that you are late? Or, how come you are late? Let's look at some more examples. Why did you buy more bread? How come you bought more bread? Notice that because we don't use a helping verb, like did in the first sentence, bought stays in the simple past in the sentence with how come. Why did Amanda call? How come Amanda called? Again, the second one is a little bit more informal. When it's in the negative, though, you do keep the word didn't. So, for instance, why didn't you move to Miami? How come you didn't move to Miami? Now I'll give you a sentence with why, and you can change it into the how come structure. Why is he wearing a jacket? You could say this one as, how come he's wearing a jacket? How come he's wearing a jacket? And one more. Why didn't you study? How come you didn't study? All right, let's move on to what for. Why did you do that? What did you do that for? Notice that the whole sentence comes in between what and for. Again, what did you do that for? See if you could change the next sentence into the what for structure. Why did you change trains? What did you change trains for? How about this one? Why did he leave early? What did he leave early for? And one last example. Why do they need another chair? What do they need another chair for? Why don't you go ahead and practice writing a question with how come and what for in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video on Lingoni English. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos for tips on improving your English. See you there.